Why does Vietnam experience floods every year? It all starts with two powerful beings, Sun Tin and Tui Tin. One shaped the mountains, the other commanded the waters. Both wished to marry the king's daughter, but Sun Tin arrived first and earned her hand. Tui Tin, overwhelmed with emotion, sent rain and rising tides to win her back. Yet Sun Tin calmly raised the mountains higher, keeping the land safe. Every rainy season, it's more than weather. It's nature retelling an ancient legend, where the mountains stand strong and the waters always return.